East Coast Weather Association meteorologist Mike Griffith with your May Landscaping Services daily forecast. We're looking at a swirl in the clouds right here over the Carolinas. Some say it kind of looks like a hurricane and resembles one. Only difference is that it's not. It's over land right now, the center of low pressure. The wind will start whipping up here along the coast, especially with some gusts of 45, maybe even 50 miles per hour, especially along the Outer Banks. And the wind's going to start to pick up along the Delaware coast, Delmarva, even up in New Jersey and Long Island here. This is the satellite image right now, and this spin in the clouds is this big rainstorm here that's going to kind of move up the coast and maybe even brush New England over the next 2 or 3 days or so. Let's show you what I'm talking about here with the GFS model. Right here is that piece of energy at 18,000 feet in the atmosphere, and this is going to kind of move up into the northeast here as we go into the day on Tuesday. So it's going to be raining off and on across Charlotte. They're going to be on the edge of the rain right there. Raleigh's going to be in on the rain. All of Virginia, much of Pennsylvania, further up north, into New England also is going to start to get the rain from this system here as we go into the day on Tuesday. So do not expect to stay dry anywhere from Charlotte up through Boston on Tuesday. This is today. And this system is going to kind of hug the coast and just kind of move up there and eventually away. Up into New England and Maine is going to see a lot of rain from this system as we go into the day on Wednesday. And finally, this rainstorm is gone by Wednesday evening. Lots of clearing here across the East Coast, sunny skies across Florida, all the way up into North Carolina. Should be a nice day on Thursday this week. We just need to get rid of this rainstorm first. And here comes a front, and here comes some energy in from the plains. Probably going to see some severe weather out there. This could push east, but this is going to be a weak cold front that we're seeing on this week, which is Thursday. That front hits the mountains, might break up. Some lingering showers and thunderstorms move into the Carolinas, Virginia, maybe Atlanta. Nothing really significant here other than just some strong thunderstorms. Nothing too severe or crazy. This is going to be Thursday night into Friday, so it's going to be moving through at the nighttime, which means that it's not going to have the energy from the sun, so it's not going to have the sun's energy to make severe storms here on Friday evening, as you need that in order to get severe storms. Not always, but most of the time you do. Going into this weekend, some residual showers and thunderstorms possible. Other than that, sunny and a nice day. Warming up there on Saturday. And even into Saturday morning, Saturday evening, some showers and thunderstorms this weekend also. But then we're watching another huge piece of very, very strong energy moving into the middle part of the country as we go into Sunday the 30th and into May 1st to start the month of May. We're looking at a severe outbreak here across much of the central part of the nation. It's going to be cold enough to snow across Kansas and up into Nebraska and up into Minnesota as we go into the 30th Sunday and into Monday, the May 1st. So that just tells me that this is going to be very powerful thunderstorms here across Louisiana. This is going to form a severe outbreak, including tornadoes along this line, and it's just going to move east. And we're going to have to watch out here in the east, anywhere from Pennsylvania, New York, down through Georgia as we go into May 1st. That front pushes eastward onto May 1st. Let me see. I took it backwards there a little bit, but now stepping ahead forward into May 1st. Here comes a bunch of pop-up showers and thunderstorms. These are probably going to be the first wave of storms ahead of the front on Monday or Sunday evening, and it's going to be really, really nasty stuff here. Some supercell thunderstorms possible, tornadoes from Charlotte, Atlanta, up into western Virginia, and up into Pennsylvania. Again, this is going to be Sunday and the Monday. Time frame isn't exactly well known yet. We can't pinpoint exactly when the storms are going to come through. We just know that they are sometime between Sunday and Monday. Very nasty stuff here. Watch out. The severe weather is going to be more than likely here across the southeast as we go into May 1st. Let me take it ahead into the May 1st, and there we go again. And the front comes through, and then it kind of just moves away. It doesn't linger. There goes the rain and the storms. It might weaken by the time it gets to the coast. It might not. Very cold air, cold enough to snow across the Pennsylvania mountains and the Great Lakes as we start next week into Tuesday. And that's pretty much what the story's going to be, is this big storm system coming through Sunday and Monday, bringing a lot of severe thunderstorms, including the threat of tornadoes, early next week. Meteorologist Mike Griffith, that's your daily forecast for April 25th, 2017. Contact May Landscaping Services for post-storm cleanup as well as any type of landscaping job you want in Hampton Roads, Virginia.